Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, a little bit of everything with Erin. Today is going to be an unboxing. I just received my large box from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I did the large mystery box. I believe this was $145, and we're gonna see what's inside. So right when you open it, you can see a bunch of goodies right on top. So the first exclusive item is the Valentine Day little bag. And it's cute. I'll probably use it like when I go grocery shopping so I don't have to put all my groceries in a plastic bag. So there's item one. The next item is one of Jeffree's new crossbody bags, I believe he called it. And this is in a maroon color. I don't think this one was sold when he sold the mystery bags. I think this is exclusive to the boxes only. His name is on the strap and a logo is in the corner. Very cute. The next item right on top is going to be the Blue Blood palette. Now, if you know me, you know I already have her. So this is going to go into my pile of palettes that I'm going to be giving away. I think I have now 8 or 9 palettes to put in that. So we'll have like 8 or 9 winners for that. Tissue paper, love that. We get a velour lip scrub in Mojito. I have never purchased one of his lip scrubs, so this should be interesting. It smells like a mojito, so we'll definitely try that out. Then we got a gloss in Ice Cold. I actually really like his glosses, so I'm excited about having more to my collection. I'll go ahead and swatch that for you. It's a really pretty color. I don't know if it'll pick up on camera. Be really pretty as a topper. The next one is the exclusive gloss to this box, and this one is in Soft Core Sparkle. And that is a pretty purple, and there are definitely speckles of sparkle in there. We'll put that right next to the cold one. Probably not picking up on the camera well, but it's just like a nice light purple pinky tone, and it has specks of pink and purple in it. It's very, very pretty. Again, probably a really great topper. I would definitely just wear it as a gloss because that's how I am. We got a pop socket, which is probably considered an exclusive. Don't care. No offense, Jeffree, still love you. This is a velour liquid lipstick in the color Mistletoe, which I believe came out with the Christmas line. Makes sense. And that is in this green. I will probably use this mostly for an eyeliner, considering Jeffree's liquid lips are eye safe. Then we got another liquid lip. This one is in the shade Can't Relate, which looks like a nudie color. It's harder to see in this packaging because the outside packaging is sparkly. But that's Can't Relate. And then we got another liquid lip. And this one is in the shade Below Pony, which is a lavender color, very pretty. be great again as a liner. So there's that one. Let's see what this is. Oh, yay! This is the Brain Freeze highlighting palette. This came out with the Jawbreaker palette. I did not get this. When he launches a palette, I usually just go for the palette and cash out to make sure that I get it. And it's just a really pretty highlighter palette. This one I'm sure I'm going to use a lot. And then the thing that I was most excited about for getting this mystery box is the Jeffree Star approved mirror. Let me open it up. It says it's the baby pink chrome one. Yes. I'm so excited. Boom. Super cute mirror. I know the outside looks like it's a knot shape because it's his little Jeffree Star approved logo, but on the back side it is definitely just a round mirror, and I love it. It's going to use it. I now have 3 of his mirrors. I have the Jawbreaker Star, I have the Pink Pig mirror from the Shane Dawson collaboration, and now the Pink Chrome Jeffree Star approved mirror. So again, I paid $145 because it was under $150. I had to pay shipping like a dummy. But again, whenever he has these types of items, I just try to grab what I want, the one important thing, and cash out to make sure that I can get one. So I'm kind of guessing on some of the prices because some of the exclusive items aren't on his website to even look at the prices. But if I had to guess, everything cost about $280 and we paid $145. So that's a great discount. And like I said, some of these items I probably would never wear this on my, in fact I probably would never wear any of these 3 on my lip. Can't relate is a possibility, I might, but the other 2 would be great lip liners because again his liquid lips are eye safe. And I love both of these lip glosses. I know some people could use them as toppers. I'll probably just wear them as lip gloss. Like, ain't no shame in me wearing some glitter. All right guys, if you enjoy unboxings, please leave me a comment below if there's a different company of an unboxing that you would like to see. I've got a couple more coming up very, very soon. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Share it if you want to. You know that always helps me out. And if you hit that bell, you'll get notifications anytime I post new videos. All right guys, until next time, bye. Oh, P.S. make sure you look out. I have an upcoming Makeup Monday video where I will be announcing the giveaway. So look out for that, and I will show you all the palettes I'm giving away. If you follow me on Twitter, here's my handle. You can see a sneak peek photo there of some of the palettes I've already purchased and have waiting for this giveaway. All right guys, bye.